Okay, so Tesla stock is correcting today just below the resistance at 214. This is problematic for Tesla and it is undeniably a sign of weakness. However, the real question is this enough to completely ruin Tesla's bullish bias? Will Tesla finally begin a major correction after today? The point is that today's price action doesn't mean that much, as crazy as this sounds, and in this video I will explain why and you will learn what it takes for Tesla to actually reverse the trend. My name is Nathan and you are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Let's start our technical analysis on Tesla stock looking at this chart over here. This is the daily chart. What is Tesla doing in the daily chart? It is going up. The trend is bullish. It is way above the 21 exponential moving average. The moving average is pointing upwards right now. And is there any top sign on Tesla? Yes, there is a top sign on Tesla right now. Was this top sign triggered? No, it wasn't triggered. In fact, if we analyze smaller time frames like in the 1 hour chart, Tesla is incredibly bullish. Tesla is still doing higher highs, higher lows, trading above the 21 EMA, trading above this purple trend line over here, which connects all the previous top levels on Tesla. All the previous bottom levels on Tesla over here. So the trend is still clearly bullish. Some people accuse me of being bullish, guys. It is not me. As long as Tesla remains doing this pattern, higher highs, higher lows above this purple trend line, it is going to remain bullish. In the daily chart, Tesla is doing it. And you may say, oh, but Nathan, in the weekly chart, we are just doing a rally, right? Well, we're going to talk about the weekly chart tomorrow, Friday, when the weekly chart is about to close. But right now, short and mid-term speaking, in the 1 hour and in the daily chart, Tesla is still bullish. Now, we are trying to do a top sign over here today. Yesterday it did a hanging man candlestick pattern, right? And some people were panicking. Oh, we are doing a hanging man candlestick pattern, Nathan, we're gonna drop. Tesla has to drop because it went up too much, too fast. I mean, since January 6th, it went up from $100 to $200 right now, so it has to correct. Am I right? Well, that's not necessarily true because when Tesla starts engaging a bull trend, it is very hard and very difficult for it to do a decent correction, and we know that. And we know that, all right? We know that very well from 2020, from 2021 over here. It is quite difficult for Tesla to actually correct, so we gotta pay attention because, okay, we are doing a top sign right now, but it did a top sign over here. It did a dark cloud cover candlestick pattern on January 18. It did another dark cloud cover candlestick pattern over here on January 30. And more recently, it did a classic evening star candlestick pattern, which is a quite powerful bearish reversal candlestick pattern that does reverse the trend 71% of the time according to Thomas Bukovsk's studies. So, and all these patterns, all these top signs were completely frustrated. So, in order for Tesla to actually materialize a sharper pullback, it gotta trigger a decent top sign over here and trigger a crystal clear bearish reversal structure in the 1 hour chart. Because right now, in the 1 hour chart, we are just doing higher highs, higher lows. If we do lower highs, lower lows, okay, guys, Tesla is going to correct. I'm gonna tell you guys here in this channel, okay, Tesla is doing a reversal structure in the 1 hour chart. Tesla is triggering a bearish top sign in the daily chart. Probably it is going to materialize a pullback. Okay, when Tesla does that? Right now, Tesla is not doing any top sign. Yesterday, it did a hangman candlestick pattern after slightly breaking the 214, okay? Yesterday, it did a hangman candlestick pattern closing at 214.66. Okay, we broke the 214 area, we closed above the 214, but it wasn't a huge, big victory, but still, we closed above the 214, but we did a hangman. So, okay, so we're gonna drop right now. Well, not necessarily. If you wanna talk about statistics, let's talk about this hangman, since you guys were so crazy about it. Bukovsk on the hangman candle pattern. The hangman is probably one of the better known candlestick patterns, but it does not work as many expect, because its theoretical performance is of bearish reversal. However, its tested performance is of bullish continuation 59% of the time. The above numbers are based on hundreds of perfect trades. So this is it. Here's some statistics for you guys. Yes, we did a hangman candlestick pattern, but remember, every single hangman candlestick pattern in the 1 hour chart is just a pullback to the previous support level, just like it did yesterday. So we can't take this top sign that seriously. And this is how we work here in this channel. We work with technique, with evidence, with technical evidence. We don't assume things, we don't try to predict things, we just react properly to what we see right now at this moment. And of course, if you want to trade with me, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Join the top 5% community that can beat the market and make some money. Now, back to Tesla. Okay, right now, I would be much more concerned with today's pattern, because today we are trying to do what seems to be a shooting star candlestick pattern, or even a gravestone doji candlestick pattern. In that scenario, okay, maybe Tesla is going to trigger a pullback. However, as long as in the 1 hour chart we keep doing higher highs, higher lows, Tesla is not going to correct. Alright, Tesla is not going to trigger a sharper pullback. And even if Tesla triggers a pullback, we have a dual support level around the 180s down here. That is our next technical support level on Tesla. If you ask me, in my personal opinion, it would be great to see Tesla correcting again to the 182, to the 180s down here, because if Tesla corrects in the daily chart over here, and if it does any bullish reaction above the support level, it would be just another opportunity to buy with a very good risk-reward ratio and at a discounted price. So I think a pullback would be very good, to be honest. I wish for a pullback. However, there are few evidence that Tesla is going to actually correct from here. As far as I know, it could be just another fake top sign, just like it did over here, and over here. So this is why I'm telling you guys, today's price action is not that meaningful. I would just wait for a clearer bearish reversal structure in smaller time frames. I would just wait and see if this gravestone doji would actually get triggered tomorrow or even next week, and then okay, maybe Tesla is going to correct. If it corrects, I don't believe it is going to be the end of the world, but still, let's keep our eyes open, let's pay attention to the signs Tesla will give us over here near this resistance level. So let's just keep our eyes open under this resistance area, because it is a problematic sign. Indeed, yes, we should pay attention. It is a yellow sign for us right now at this moment. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel, and if you're still watching this random Brazilian guy talking about Tesla for almost 10 minutes right now, come on, I think I deserved your subscription. You are welcome to join the Finance Hydra channel. Click on the like button as well to support me. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this. Stay safe, bye bye.